Now students, in my previous lecture we had solved the question of ages. Now here again we have in this lecture number 15, fifth question. Age of two girls are in the ratio 5:7. 8 years ago their ages were in the ratio 7:13. Find their present ages. Very simple question. So first we will assume their present ages. Present ages are 5:7 in the ratio. So let ages we can solve by two variable or by one variable. Both can be solved. So I am solving this in one variable. I am showing how to solve it in one variable. Let present ages of girls be 5x and 7x. Is it? Very simple method it is. You can solve this by two variable also. Let's see how to solve in one variable. Now 8 years ago, so 8 years ago ages of girls will be 5x minus 8 and 7x minus 8. Now at that moment their ages are in the ratio 7:13. So ratio is given 5x minus 8 upon 7x minus 8 is equal to 7 upon 13. Now by cross multiply you will get the value of x, and whatever the value of x is you will multiply this in 5x and 7x, you will get the answer. Is it okay? Very simple method. Without using two variable you can solve in one variable also. Is it okay? Or you can solve this by using two variable also. You can assume their ages x and y like this. Let present age of girls are x and y. Is it? Now in first case the ratio of their ages is 5:7, means x upon y is equal to 5 upon 7. Is it? Now cross multiply. See this, what we have, 7x is equal to 5y, or 7x minus 5y is equal to 0. First equation. Now 8 years ago, in second case second, 8 years ago their ages will be x minus 8 and y minus 8. 8 years ago their ages are x minus 8 and y minus 8. Now at that moment the ratio is 7 upon 13. So the ratio is given x minus 8 upon y minus 8 is equal to 7 upon 13. Is it? Now cross multiply. I am doing here 13x minus 13 8s of 104 is equal to 7y minus 56. 7 is 56. Bring x and y together. We have 13x minus 7y is equal to minus 56 plus 104. Now 13x minus 7y is equal to, subtract this. How much it is? 14 minus 6 is 8. Now 9 minus 5 is 4. I think 48. Equation number 2. Now solving the two equations for x and y, you will have the ages of two girls. Is it okay? Now we have another important question. I am reading it. A boat takes 5 hours to go 300 kilometers downstream, and it takes Same time means 5 hours to go 150 kilometers upstream. Find the speed of the boat and the stream. We have solved this kind of question in NCERT. Means we have two kinds of speeds in this case, upstream and downstream. Upstream means against the flow of river. Downstream means with the flow of river. When you go downstream means speed of boat and stream will be added because boat will run faster. And if you go against the river, speed will be less than that of previous one because the current will oppose the boat. So first we will find the speed downstream and speed upstream. So with two things are, let speed of boat is equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of stream is equal to y kilometers per hour. Now we find speed upstream, that is x minus y kilometers per hour, and speed downstream is x plus y kilometers per hour. Is it? Now in first case, see, time is given. So speed is equal to distance upon time, and in first case it is downstream. So you can write like this: speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. Distance is given 300 kilometers and speed downstream is x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 300 and time taken is 5. 5 6 are 30. Means we have x plus y is equal to 60. Equation number 1. In second case, it goes 150 kilometers in same time. Time is 5 hours. And in second case, speed is down upstream this time. So x minus y, distance is 150 upon time is same 5 hours. So 5 3s are, so x minus y is equal to 30. Equation number 2. Now we have got two equations, very simple equations. Anyhow we can solve these equations for x and y. Whatever the values comes, that will be the speeds of boat and current. Okay. Now let's see another important question of number in a 2-digit number. So in 2-digit number we have tens place and ones place. Tens digit is 3 times the units digit. When the number is decreased by 54, the digits are reversed. Means tens place comes to ones place and ones place comes to tens place. Means suppose the number is 36, it reversed and becomes 63. So we have 2-digit numbers. So let the digit at tens place is equal to x and digit at ones place is equal to y. Then number is equal to 10x plus y. We have done this kind of question. The digit at tens place, so its place value is 10x and plus y. This is the formal number. Now we have in first case, what is given? The tens digit is 3 times the units digit. This is tens digit and this is units digit. This is 3 times. So what to do? To make them equal, we will multiply this digit by 3 and bring this at x minus 3y is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Now in second case, what is given? If we decrease the number means 10x plus y and decreasing by 54. So its digits are reversed. Means x comes in place of y and y goes in place of x. So it becomes 10y plus x. Is it? Now form the equation. This is 10x, bring this x this side, minus x plus y, bring this 10y minus 10y is equal to 54. We have 9x minus 9y is equal to 54. Divide this equation by 9, or we can write divided by 9. So we have x minus y is equal to 6. Equation number 2. Now we have got two equations, x plus minus 3y is equal to 0, x minus y is equal to 6. On solving these two equations for x and y, put the value of x and y here in this equation to get the number in 2 digit. Is it okay? Means you will solve the equation. Sometimes students fail to write the answer. Only they solve the equation and they leave x and y. No, you have to find the value of number. So you will put the value of x and y here in this number and you will get the appropriate answer. Is it okay? Now students, here in this question, see, find two numbers. In the previous question we had 2-digit number. There was only one number of 2 digit. Here we have two numbers. We don't know whether it is 1 digit or 2-digit number. Only we have to find two numbers. So two numbers such that 3 times the first is added to twice the second makes 30. Means 3 times of first number and 2 times of second number, total is 30. Very simple question. So let two numbers are x and y. In first case, what is said? It says that 3 times the first number is x. So we have 3x is added to twice the second 2y is equal to 30. Equation number 1. Now in second case second, and twice the first means 2x is added to second only second number means y gives 17. Equation number 2. Very simple one. Now we have got two equations. Once again you will solve the equations for x and y by any method and you will get the answer for x and y. Whatever the answer comes, that will be the appropriate answer. Now students, again it is very important question. We are talking about 2-digit number. Try to understand. A 2-digit number is obtained by either multiplying the sum of digits by 8 and adding 1, or by multiplying the difference of digits by 13 and adding 2. Means first we have to obtain 2-digit numbers. So 2-digit number means having 1's place and 10's place. So we can assume, let the digit at 10's place is equal to x and the digit at 1's place is equal to y. Then number is equal to 10x plus y. Now let us talk about the question. Given 2-digit number is obtained, means this number is obtained. How? By either multiplying the sum of digits x and y, means sum of x and y, and multiplied by 8 and add 1. Means this number in first case, very important case it is. See, 10x plus y is can be obtained by multiplying the sum of digits and adding 1. Got it? Means this number 10x plus y is same as the sum of digits into 8 plus 1. Simplify this. We have 10x plus y is equal to 8x plus 8y plus 1. Bring this x and y this side. 10x minus 8x plus y minus 8y is equal to 1. We have 2x minus 7y is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Or second case, this number the same number can be or by multiplying the difference of digits, means x minus y, and multiplied by 13 and add 2, means we can have 13 times of x minus y plus 2. If we multiply the difference of digits by 13 and add 2, we get the same number 10x plus y. Got it? Now we have to simplify this. See, 13x minus 13y plus 2 is equal to 10x plus y. Bring this x and y this side. We have 13x minus 10x minus 13y minus y is equal to, send this to this side, minus 2. We have 3x minus 14y is equal to minus 2. Equation number 2. Now again we will solve these two equations for x and y. Whatever the values of x and y comes, we have to put here in x 10x plus y. Don't leave the answer as x and y. We have to find. So many times I have observed that students leave the answer as x and y. You have to put the values of x and y here to get the number. Is it okay? Now you have to solve all these questions. Now students, see, very interesting question. A boy travels x hours, time is x hours, at 8 kilometers per hour, then 4 hours, then for y hours at 7 kilometers per hour, and he travels 37 kilometers together. Means total distance is 37 kilometers in 5 hours. Total time is 5 hours. Find x and y. Very simple question. So in first case, see, this is time and this one is speed. Speed into time is equal to distance, and total distance is given 37 kilometers. So 8 into x plus 7 into y is equal to 37, means 8x plus 7y is equal to 37. This is equation number 1. Why? This is speed into time. Time is x, speed is x, time is y, speed is 7, total distance is 37 kilometers. Equation number 1. And total time is 5 hours. X hours is time, y hours is time, total time is 5 hours. So in second case we have x plus y is equal to 5. Equation number 2. Again you will solve these two equations for x and y. Whatever answer comes for x and y, that will be your answer, because simply x and y is required. Now so many questions I have solved, means and in every question I have left the equation, means after forming the equation I have left it. So you have to solve all those equations yourself and practice by any method. And if any doubt, any problem, you may contact me on WhatsApp. Is it okay? Now it's all about today. Thank you very much.